Hello everyone. We've gone over blur, crop, color, and contrast. We're going to go over the smudge tool. In this picture there is a couple of places where we can make use of it. And it also requires me to zoom in to show you. Big place where it'll be helpful is right here in the ass. Sadly, that's where it's needed also. Like always, it's a good idea to check what your breasts are doing. Anyway, sorry. I want my brush to be round. There we go. So as I explained, this is going to take it and pull it. So you just want to do short grabs and pulls and just keep working with it until you get the rounded out shape that you want. This will require a lot of playing with because, like I said, they're short pulls. So you can already see that it's getting a bit rounder than it was prior. Anyway, as you can see, I'm pulling that color. And this is also where it gets a bit difficult because you need to know some bit of anatomy, because you can see that leg line and you know that there's going to be a rounded shape. And if you can see where I'm going, you know that I'm going to have to pull this side out a bit more to make it look rounded and proportionate to the subject. So, as much as I'm sure you guys are enjoying me clicking, it is a bit drawn out process because you gotta, I'll show you what happens if you take too much. You want to do short and smooth strokes. See, like that I don't like, so I'm going to take it away. And I'm going to shrink my brush because I don't want to accidentally grab the jacket and yank it. So, see, it looks a bit better now. What I do once I get my perfect shape, which this isn't, like I said, these are just to get you familiar with some of the tools. I would take the blur just to smooth it out a little bit. Obviously not that big a brush or not that small a brush. 6 seems good right now. So that's one way you can use the smudge tool. Let's show you what it looks like. Keep your eyes on my butt. Oh my god. Anyway, see? Huge difference. See the corners and the edges? A butt is normally not that pointy. Now it's rounded. This is also why I love using the duplicate of the original layer, because you can go, well, right now I hate how it looks. It looks perfect with that changes. I could merge down and be happy with that. Obviously, this isn't a final thing because there's still a lot of mistakes that need to be fixed, like in the foot, right here, and actually the hand is a huge issue as well, for me anyway. There's actually an issue in the elbow. You can't see it until it's zoomed in, but being me, I know it's there and I would have to fix it. See, right here? Even though it's so small and zoomed out you can't see it, I know it's there, and I would want to fix that. Which you could use pull with that, or you could use many other techniques that you can use. But that smudge tool is very good for trying to round some of our body shapes out. You could do the same with the breast. Just take this and do small strokes to round it out. I do apologize. I don't know why, but this mic picks up my clicks like I'm have my face right next to my mouse pad. It's rough, but you get the point. See? It does help make it a bit more realistic. So that's your smudge tool, and that's how it can really help to make your picture a bit more realistic. And I will do another video shortly.